All right, hey, welcome to Unit 6 Learning Outcome. I can apply zero and negative properties of exponents. All right, so we are taking a look at two laws of exponents. The very first one is the zero property. So what you need to know is that anything to the zero power is 1. Okay, now we've kind of talked about this, so I want you to see the y, but before you do, I want you to write down in your notes example, like a to the 0 equals 1. So that's the important part, okay? That's that example. A to the 0 equals 1. Okay, well, why does this work? Well, let's take a look. So if we have x to the 5th over x, oops, x, we didn't want x to the 5th. X to the 5th over x to the 5th. Well, if you remembered from our rule of the quotient rule, that's subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 5 to the 0. Okay, another way to think about this, remember, is to write out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's on top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's on bottom. Well, when we were canceling out factors on top and in the numerator and denominator before, we were saying, hey, that makes 1. And that makes 1. Together, those make 1. Those make 1. And that makes 1. What is left? Well, that's not 0 that's left. There's all those 1's being multiplied, and that's 1. So we get x to the 0, which is 1. Next up we have the negative property. So it's a little cheesy, but negative exponents need to be flipped. To become positive. If they are negative in the numerator, so if the exponent oops, not that, is negative in the numerator, it moves to the denominator. If it is negative in the denominator, it moves to the numerator. Oh, so much. Okay. So the two big things I want to make sure you also write in there. Okay, and if you didn't finish, pause and finish.